Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon CloudWatch agent for logs collection, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Amazon CloudWatch agent for logs collection, start by launching your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard and launch a new instance or select an existing instance. Ensure your instance has the appropriate IAM role attached, with permissions for CloudWatch actions. Connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Update the package repository to ensure you have the latest versions of the software installed. For Amazon Linux or Ubuntu, use the command to update your package list. Next, install the CloudWatch agent package by running the appropriate command based on your operating system. For Amazon Linux, use sudo yum install Amazon CloudWatch agent. For Debian or Ubuntu, run sudo apt-get install Amazon CloudWatch agent. Once the installation is complete, you need to create a CloudWatch agent configuration file. Use the CloudWatch agent wizard to generate a configuration file. Run the command sudo /opt/aws/amazon CloudWatch agent /bin /amazon CloudWatch agent config wizard. Follow the prompts to specify the log files you want to collect and the configuration options you prefer. After completing the wizard, save the configuration file. Next, start the CloudWatch agent by running sudo system start Amazon CloudWatch agent. To enable the agent to start on boot, run sudo system enable Amazon CloudWatch agent. To check if the agent is running, use the command sudo system status Amazon CloudWatch agent. Once confirmed, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch section and select Logs from the menu. You should see your logs being collected in the designated log group. Review the logs to ensure they are being collected and processed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.